park at Universal Studios Hollywood. Let's see if this works today at all. Minion time. And even on a day like this, they're still moving dirt. At Universal Studios Hollywood. We're here for the first part of the construction in this area. They move very quickly to get this ready to go. Most likely this will be partly for the alleged hotel and partly for the alleged area, the new security hub here. Soon enough, you will not be able to just walk into Universal City Walk. You will first have to go through security and then you'll be allowed into that area. So yeah, they're killing it here though. Go crew, go. And let's get into one of our favorite theme parks here. Our favorite theme park in Hollywood, that's for sure. Universal Studios Hollywood. And right here for Minions, we do have this new banana popcorn bucket. And it says right here is $35. So if you are looking to get one, $35. It does have the little bear, looks like a banana. And they do have more Minions merchandise here as well at Universal Studios Hollywood. All right, we're here at Universal Studios Hollywood, and that's Fast and Furious construction is moving fast and furious. Look at that. I'm sure the bricks have been there for a little while, but the bricks are coming out. Oh man, I can't zoom out right now. So this is gonna be super zoomed. All right guys, well yeah, we'll do more construction updates here for Fast and Furious coming to the theme park, hopefully by next year, 2026. Okay, so we have Mummy merch, guys, but look what's sold out after literally this weekend. They no longer have the bag. The bag is gone. Just Brendan Fraser here with all of his friends doing this. What are these at? $30 for these t-shirts. I'm assuming $30 for these handsome Brendan Fraser ones as well, with all the classic Mummy merchandise here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Are you guys excited that Mummy finally has merch again in the park? Also, it's in this really quick, a movie I really like, Transformers 1 has merch here as well, which I love that movie, so. They didn't do that well in theaters, but I loved it, so that's all that matters. Anyway, till next time, like, subscribe. And right here at Super Nintendo World, did you guys know they use banana theme? Yes, banana theme little caution signs here. Because, of course, let's do some Donkey Kong tie-in. Donkey Kong will, of course, be joining us at Epic Universe over in Florida. But let's warp on into a rainy day warp pipe here at Universal Studios Hollywood. There are no lines here, which makes sense. 5-minute wait for that and a 10-minute wait for Mario Kart. You know what that means? That means let's go. Oh, that looks like a normal one though. And there was a test seat over there so you can test your seat. As you go into the Yoshi area here, let's all go have a magical adventure. And we're taking a look out at this day. Pretty much an empty park here. So rainy days are really good to come. Except for you can't meet the characters. Just FYI, none of the characters normally come out in this kind of weather. Even normal characters, there's only a few out, a handful. When you see this, it means you've won. The game is over. You don't have to watch the pre-show. You get to this ride, one of your favorite rides ever. Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. As many times as you want. Take pictures here. It's awesome. This is what you want to see.
Metropolitan sets in New York streets, mainly facades. You see these tiered vehicles here. New York is, by the way, that's where the big ape King Kong, that is unsigned yet. Here's the director of Universal's 2005 retelling of the King Kong story. He's an Oscar winner himself, Peter Jackson.
I like films that just take you away from your real life and sweep you up the edge. You can't literally that's like honey, you're on board the ship, you're sailing to a lost island, you're encountering monsters.
Universal Creative, a team of engineers and sciencey people figured out how to add some of the 4D effects that the dinosaurs spit, shake the trend we're into. I'm going to let some of the creators of the experience do the talking, or in some cases, the roaring.
With a Project Red Studio Tour, the audience is in the middle of the environment. They're looking in all directions, there's creatures coming at them, they're seeing Kong from this side and T-Rexes from the other side.
Working on a movie, we always know what they're looking straight ahead. They're looking at the shop that we're working on.
Here on NBC Steers, the original King Kong. The one that started it all. That was released in 1933 by RKO Pictures and directed by Marion C. Cooper. What was happening here at Universal back in the 30s? You're busy making lots of movies, including movies in the monster movie genre. Coming up on the right, our monster movie mural created by Tristan Hinton, featuring the Frankenstein monster, originally played here by Boris Karloff. Also, Dr. Frankenstein, played by Colin Clive. He's the one that says the line of that. Point, the Western filming area, where recently a showdown took place.
This town ain't big enough for the both of us, Jimmy Fallon.
Well, I ain't going anywhere, Jimmy Fallon.
Now look here. Nice folks in this tram don't want no trouble. They just want to check out 6 Points, one of the oldest sets on the Universal line.
I hear that's where John Wayne and Jimmy Stewart shot a few of their westerns.
That's right. That's where I aim to shoot.
Looks like we got ourselves a Mexican standoff. Lucky shot.
No one see you mount up and get out of town while we get good.
All right. Well, I'll see you again, pal.
Or you can count on it.
This is a beautiful French.
We're just gonna come down.
Well, Jimmy's talking about we're going to cross the border into Old Mexico, which you can see in Orion's. Oh, by the way, here's a few other Universal Western stars. Old Mexico's been seen in Orion's Three Amigos with Chevy Chase and also Steve Martin and Martin Short from Hulu's Only Murders in the Building. Here's another example of how the world is just around the corner on the back lot. Through the magic of the studio tour, we're going to go now from Old Mexico to Amity Island from Jaws. Yes, Amity is the same town that was terrorized by that 25-foot-long great white shark. Don't worry though, the shark has finally been caught. Mayor Vaughn wants you to know that the beaches will be opening soon to tourists. He told me himself to remind you that Amity means friendship. In fact, right now we have our Amity police divers in the water right now. You see that sick vandalism. Amity police divers in the water right now doing a final check of the harbor. One of the divers is my personal friend, Officer George. Except there's the shark they caught. It doesn't look 25 feet long though. It looks more like 14 or 15 feet. And not only that, but I hear some ominous music and I see a fin in the water. Wait a minute. A fin in the water? Divers are still out there somewhere. Yeah, including Officer George. Oh, we gotta warn him. Oh, hey, George, it's Robert. Listen. No, you gotta get back in the boat. Let that jump. The shark is back. Oh, police. Wait, who are the police? Who are the police? Everyone remain seated at all times as we make our way across the dock. I think our boys have got the wrong shark. The real Charles is still out there somewhere. Only hope now will be he takes the bait and attacks to the yellow buoy in the harbor. Oh, he's taking the bait. He's taking the beer. Jaws has been a fan favorite of the tour ever since the shark made his backlot debut way back in 1976. By the way, our tour is now approximately at the halfway mark. So I just want to remind everybody to stay seated during the entire tour. This here and exterior. It's appeared in productions like the original Quantum Leap with Scott Bakula and Beethoven Smith with a big St. Bernard and Dave Thomas of SCTV and Strange Brew. Coming up on the left, Colonial Street, which we're prepping after the Verb Sears coming to Peacock. That was Wisteria Lane on ABC's Desperate Housewives. It appears in the Ted series. It'll be appearing in season 4 also of Hacks. Glamour Tram from the early days of the tour there, of the tram tour in the 60s. And a display of picture cars. Once again, picture cars. Any vehicle on the set that's going to be seen by the camera. Speaking of which, Nope on the left there's the Fry's Electronics van from Jordan Peele's Nope. Right next to it, the flying Muggle Ford Anglia from the Warner Brothers production of Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. On the left, some Fast and Furious street racers and some vehicles from the Paramount DreamWorks Transformers movies. The Autobot Bumblebee disguised as the yellow Chevy Camaro and the Decepticon Barricade disguised as the police car. Psycho, that's also a picture car. Here's Marion's final destination and our next point of interest on the tour, the Bates Motel and Psycho House from Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho. This is the motel with...
We have 12 vacancies. 12 cabins, 12 vacancies.
We're gonna hold the train here for a few moments. So here's the scene from the movie with Vera Miles heading up to the house. There's the Ford Fairlane and the motel and the Psycho House looming up on the hill. And we'll just, okay, did you all see that? It was a little off-putting, wasn't it? A little creepy. Anyway, we're gonna hold the train here for a few moments while you get some photos and video of the guy with the dead body. Wait a minute, the Bates Motel now has late checkout. Everybody, I think that's Norman Bates. That is Norman Bates. This is not good. I got a bad feeling about this. Mike, I think we might have overstayed our welcome. Looks like it's time for us to check out of the Bates Motel.
Hey guys, if it's Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day. This has been Jared's Journey's coverage of Universal Studios. It's a short, fun little video today, and let's see if we can do this. Yeah, right here with this behind me. There you go. Well, anyway guys, hope you guys had a wonderful time. Like, subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, safe journeys.